Good evening. Now we are going to solve second problem, that is calculate the moment of resistance of a doubly reinforced beam of rectangular section of size 300 mm by 550 mm deep, reinforced with 6 bars of 20 mm diameter on tension side and 2 bars of 20 and 2 bars of 16 on compression side, and use M25 and Fe500. So now we will first write value of AST. We will write value of ASC. So we have this as 6 bars of 25 torque. So value of AST, that is equal to 1 6 bars of 20 torque, sorry. And value of AST, that is 1884.96 mm square. And then this will be 2 bars of 20. So 628.32. This is 2 bars of 20 torque plus 2 bars of 16 torque, 402.12. This is 2 bars of 16 torque. And total, if you will calculate this, is 1030.44 mm square. Now we have Fe500. So we have to go step 1. We have assume Ku is equal to 0.3. Then we have to calculate AST1. So for first trial, we are doing this. 0.36 FCK Ku into D into B upon 0.87 Fy. And we will put the values 0.36 FCK 25 Ku 0.3 D we have 500 because overall depth 550 cover 50. So 0.3 into 500 and B we have 300 divided by 0.87 into 500. And from this we will get value of AST1, that is equal to 931.03 millimeters square. Then find Ku1 first trial, and that is equal to Ku into AST minus ASC upon AST1. Now Ku we have 0.3, AST we have 1884.96 minus 1030.44 upon AST1 we have 931.03. And from this we will get value of Ku1, that is equal to 0.3 into 0.92. And that is equal to 0.28. Knowing Ku1, our first trial is Xu1 is equal to Ku1 into D. Ku1 is 0.28, D is 500, and we have this value equal to 140 millimeter. Knowing value of Xu, we can find epsilon SC, which is equal to 0.0035 in bracket 1 minus dc upon xu, and that is 0.0035. 1 minus dc is 50, xu is 140, and that is equal to 0.00225. Now if we will go to table, we have value for 0.00226. So we can consider this value for first trial 0.00226. Against this we have value 391.3 Newton per mm square. And then we can find value of XU2 now. So we have formula 0.36 FCK XU into B plus FSC ASC equal to 0.87 FY AST. Now substitute values 0.36 FCK 25 XU 140 B we have XU we have to find for whatever we have considered value, that value is correct or not, that we have to check, and for that we have to find value of XU from here. So into XU and B is 300 plus FSC we have assumed 391.3 and ASC is 1030.44, which is equal to 0.87 FY and AST we have 1884.96. And you calculate value of XU from here, you will get first term 2700 XU plus 391.3 into 1030.44 equal to 8199.57.6. And from this we can calculate value of XU, and we will get this value of XU that is equal to 154.35 millimeter. Now find epsilon SC from this. So we have 0.0035 in bracket 1 minus 50, which is DC, upon 154.35. And from this we will get value 0.00237. Now we have to interpolate epsilon SC because we have value for 0.00226, value is 391.3, and for 00277 value is 413. And we are interested with 0.00237. So we will get FSC equal to 391.3 plus 413 minus 319.3 divided by 0.00277 minus 0.00226 multiply by our value is 0.00237 minus 0.00226. And calculating this, we will get value of FSC 395.98 Newton per mm square. Now you assume value of FSC close to it. So now we will assume FSC equal to 395 Newton per mm square. And now again we will find XU. So we have first part as it is 2700 XU plus, now it becomes 395 into 1030.44 equal to right side also remained as it is, no change. And this will give us value of XU that is equal to 152.94 millimeters. Now for this XU, find epsilon SC 0.0035 in bracket 1 minus DC we have 50 and XU we have 152.94, and we have this value 0.00236. And now we can see this epsilon SC 0.00236, and we have for 0.00237 value is 395.98. So small change we can have. So we can write epsilon SC, or we can write epsilon SC and FSC, and if we will go with these values 0.00226, 391.3 and 0.00277,413, and you calculate value of FSC and you will get this value as 395.6 Newton per mm square. And we have assumed 395, so very close. So, and therefore we will consider FSC as 395.6 Newton per mm square. And then we will find value of MR. We have MR is 0.36 FCK XUB in bracket D minus 0.42 XU plus FSC ASC in bracket D minus DC. And now substitute the values 0.36 into 25 XU we have 152.94 into B we have 300, D we have 500 minus 0.42 XU again 152.94 plus FSC is 395.6, ASC 1030.44 and D minus DC 500 minus 50. And if we will solve this, we have equal to 179.94 into 10 raised to 6 plus 183.43 into 10 raised to 6. If we add this, we have 363.37 into 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter, and therefore we have MR that is equal to 363.37 kilonewton meter. So likewise, we have to solve these problems of doubly reinforced section. Now we will stop here only. Thank you.